Hey there everybody, are you looking to expand your creativity in AI art with ComfyUI? You want to be able to create fantastic pictures and wonderful videos, but you don't have the tools downloaded? Well, good news for you, because today we'll be covering just how to download those nodes in ComfyUI. Welcome to Digital Paul Workshop. It is I, the low resolution outpoint, that diminishes your beautiful AI's finest work, Techno Meow Tinkerer. Let's log on in. So we're going to take a look at a couple different ways on how to install custom nodes in ComfyUI. The first way we're going to look at is how first to install the custom node manager to be able to install them that way. So as you can see here, I already got it typed in the Google search bar, ComfyUI manager. I'm just going to click on it. The one I'm using is this one right here from GitHub, the ITDR data Comfy. I'm just going to click on it. Come on down to the installation, and what I used personally is this one right number 2 here, where it's the git clone. I copy that, then I come over here to this folder, the one that's the ComfyUI portable folder that has my run and then the Comfy folder in it, and then right up here I type in CMD to bring up my command window, and this is where I would paste the git clone address, hit enter, and let it run and install it, and it'll give me this control right here, in which I double click and it will install the manager into my ComfyUI. Let me bring up Comfy back. Let me bring up my Comfy so I can show you. Now the old Comfy system, it put the manager over here on the right where you have the bar at, but for me it is up here at the top, where you can see here at the top right, it's a little blue. I just click on it, then I can come up here to the middle where it says custom node manager, click on it, and then you can search for GitHub this way, where you just simply just type in. You can see I type in Laura. I've already downloaded a couple things from Laura. This filter where you can filter things, it won't for some reason on OBS browser, it won't let me use it. But once you download it, it'll tell you to restart the system. You can always do a restart here. There's also got this install via git URL, where you can paste the address directly here to install it that way. And there's a couple ways. There's one that actually I got a couple times for security, and I'll cover that a little bit, but let me show you how to install the custom nodes another way. So I'm going to come in here to back to our folder. I'm going to go to ComfyUI. I'm going to come down here to my custom nodes folder, and then I can just come up here to my address and just type in CMD and bring my command window back up. And so here, as you can see where it says custom nodes, you can just put the git clone address and just paste it there and let it run. Now when you do it this way, you may have to go into these folders and do some more stuff, because depending upon the custom node, I have noticed that where I have to go in to a folder, type CMD, and then download something that way. Don't ask me why they make things that complicated for. But now going back to what I said in ComfyUI Manager, if you get one up says your security level won't let you download it, how to get around that, and I will put a caution, because this will make the security of Comfy not as strict, so a little bit loose. And so we'll come to the Comfy Manager here, and I'll come over here to default, and then I'll come over here to Comfy Manager, and I want the config right here, INI file, double click it, and right down here where it says security level, you want to change that from normal to weak. And again, I caution, because this will be making your security weaker, so either do it with files that you trust, or I would recommend doing on a computer that you don't have no access to no sensitive information. But you'll change that to weak, and so when you go back to Comfy, you'll be able to download those files that you were first restricted from being able to download because of security. And that's just some of the ways you can download custom nodes in ComfyUI. And if you enjoy my content, you can support me different ways by going to these websites right here. Links are also in the description for some of them, as well as like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think might find it interesting. And if you're interested in wanting to create some more AI artwork and how to use lures, or at least import lures and do multiple lures, I recommend you watch my video on how to use lure nodes and stack multiple lures in ComfyUI. Until next time, have a nice day.